got a couple of skate parks, like the one down the bay, there's one down Cogan, but they're really far away from like the main area where everyone comes to skate, which is central. I just kind of want to see more friendliness towards skaters, less like get out of this spot, get out of here, and maybe something for us to skate around central, because that's the main spot where everyone goes. Mainly because of my friends, community around it that got me involved into it. It's like a sport with endless possibilities, so it's something I really got interested in. I've tried other sports and it got repetitive. It's the same thing over and over again. And skateboarding is you come out, you learn a new trick and it's completely different to the other trick you just learned, endless possibilities and so.
So Cardiff is pretty good for skate scene. There are quite a few skate parks, especially the one down the bay is good. The problem that we have is they aren't lit, so when it comes to the night time, we can't skate them. So we have to skate public spots, and then people don't tend to like skateboarders to skate in public spots, so it becomes a bit of an issue where skateboarding is somewhat like criminalised, so it'd be good to have a place where we can always go to essentially. So, you know, just lights around a skate park or something, or somewhere undercover, that'd be good. So the reason I skate over anything else is, first and foremost for me, there's an artistry to it. It's not so much like a game like football or rugby, which is very much, I don't know how to, it's just a different type of skill set. It's just very artistic. And then there is a real like family sort of feel to it. Everyone you skate with is kind of on the same level and all has the same sort of ideals and music taste and just general taste in life. So it's always good, it's just there.
What got me into skating? I'd say my best friend from childhood came out and skated, and he got me to come out, and then ever since I haven't looked back. That's what got me into skating. Skating, what I believe it does to me is that trick, and if I don't land it that day, I'm gonna try my best to do it. So you know, it's about not giving up, and then at the same time, it keeps you fit. So it's like football, that keeps you fit. For me, skating keeps me fit, and also you're in a community, you meet new people, you make new friends, and yeah, I love it. So the facilities we have in Cardiff for skating, personally, they're okay, they're good. But like, we got a base skate park, which is kind of far from here. We have Lleisiau, which is kind of far. For us, we skate here all the time because it's a big open space, a lot of, you know, flat ground to skate. But personally, what I'd love, because it's winter right now, we have sheltered skate spots, you know, and when it's summer, hopefully more skate parks closer to town, and so it's easier for people to get to. That's what I would want.
It's like been a big help. It's a bit of a community for everyone, all the young people. There's always people who can have support and rely on you. In Cardiff, you know, we haven't got many spots. Central being our favourite spot. If we could have more places with like smaller ramps suited to skateboarding, places in town as well. We've got a lot of places which are quite far. I know all the indoor parks are quite far. There's no sheltered spots in town. A sheltered spot would be a big help to the skating community in Cardiff. I'd say skating not only is like a subculture, it's a friendship group. There's a lot of people that you can rely on for support and help with skating, creative way. It's a creative outlet. Skating Central is one of them things. The police come and they ask us to leave. They come on their own terms. It's not great for us. We can't really give our opinion on what we want to see. It just looks like we're trying to nag them off. The best option would be for us to meet an agreement and keep everyone happy. I understand they've got to take care of this area and we don't want to cause a problem. We just want to make sure that we can skate here and there's no problem.
Hi, my name's Miles. I'm from Cardiff. I've been skating for about 7 to 8 years now. I skate all around the city centre, plus the parks around Cardiff. We've got Cardiff Bay Skate Plaza, which is down Cardiff Bay. We've got Ramp World, which is up by Lleisiau. It's an indoor skate park, one of the biggest ones in Wales. We've got the Lleisiau skate park, just up the road from that. We've got plenty of